Hello Year 1. This week in Maths you've been learning about halving. You've been finding half of a shape and half of a number. Today we're going to be looking at doubling. Okay, doubling. When we double a number, you have to add that number to itself. So if you are doubling 4, we would say 4 plus 4 equals 8. Let's do another example. If we were doubling 5, we would say 5 plus 5 equals... Right, if you need some help to work out the answer, you can use some objects around the house to help you. So I've got some pasta here. So I'm going to count out 5 pieces plus 5 pieces. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus another 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we know there are 5 there, so we need to count on from 5. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 5 plus 5 equals 10. We can also double a number by multiplying it by 2. So we know that if we double 4, as we've just found out, we would say 4 plus 4 equals 8. But if we are doubling by multiplying by 2, we would say 4 times 2 equals 8. So let's work through a few examples. What is double 3? So again, if you want to use some objects to help you, you can. So let's do one example with some objects. So double 3. So double 3 would be 3 add the same number. So 3 add 3 equals. So get your shapes or your objects. 1, 2, 3 plus 1, 2, 3. Let's count them all together. We need to add that together. 1, 2, 3. We know we have 3 there, so let's count on from 3. 3, 4, 5, 6. So 3 plus 3 equals 6. Or we could write it as a multiplication. 3 times 2. We multiply by 2 when we are doubling. 3 times 2 equals 6. Okay, let's double 6. Right, when you double 6, we have to add the same number together. So 6 add 6 equals. Again, if you need your objects, put them down. But I know that 6 add 6 equals 12. Let's multiply it by 2. 6 times 2 equals 12. We learned earlier in the week that when we halve a number, we split a number into 2 equal parts, or we divide by 2. So in front of us, we have 14 pieces of pasta. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Right, I want you to have a go at this. Draw a circle on a piece of paper, like that. Draw a line down the middle. And then I want you to split the 14 pieces of pasta into 2 equal parts. So let's count them together. So we have to make sure that we give 1 each, taking it in turns, so that we know that we have 2 equal parts on either side. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Right, we have split the 14 into two. So we have half on one side, half on the other. So how much have we got on each side? So we are finding out what half of 14 is. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 pieces of pasta on this side. There should be 7 on the other. Let's count them just to check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have 14 altogether. We have split them so both sides are equal. How much is on this side? How much is on this side? Half of 14 is what? Well, it is 7. Okay. We can also write it as a division calculation. 14 divided by 2 equals 7. Right, let's look a bit closer at the relationship between doubling and halving. Count the pieces of pasta in the first grid. So we have 1, 2, 3. I want you to double 3. So when we double, we add the same number to the one we already have. So we have 3, we're going to double it. So we're going to add another 3. 1, 2, 3. So double 3 is 6. Right, so we have 6, and I want you now to halve it. We're going to split it in half. So we're going to split it in half. What is half of 6? 1, 2, 3. Double 3 equals 6. Half of 6 equals 3. Let's look at the second example. So we have this time 5 pieces of pasta. We want to double 5. So again, when we double, we add the same number to itself. So we have 5, we're going to add another 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So double 5 is 10. So now I want you to find out what half of 10 is. So we're going to split the 10 down the middle. What are we going to get by doing that? We're going to have the equal parts on both sides. So half of 10 equals 5. So double 5 equals 10, half of 10 equals 5. So what have we found out about doubling and halving? Well, doubling is the opposite of halving, and halving is the opposite of doubling. Hello again, Year 1. Now that you know how to double, have a go at the activity set for you today. Let's end again with a joke. Why did the dog sit next to the fire? Because he wanted to be a hot dog. See you soon. Bye.